Welcome to Eat and Be Eaten. Today we are making fresh Ono Ceviche. Ceviche is a Peruvian seafood dish where fresh fish is mixed with zesty ingredients, then chilled for hours or days in a limey citrus marinade. We're using Ono, a delicious light-fleshed fish brought in fresh just this morning. To prepare ceviche, cut the fish into bites, then toss with the ingredients: bell peppers, red onions, tomatoes. The citrus marinade is composed of lime juice, lemon juice, and just a touch of orange for sweetness. Prepare the fish and toss with the citrusy veggies. Use plenty of salt and pepper, as it will absorb into the broth as your ceviche marinades. And finally, fresh cilantro. Chop it up and toss it through. Add a few shakes of red pepper flakes. And chill your ceviche for a few hours, or even better, overnight. When you pull it from the fridge, the fish will look fully cooked and taste delicious.